back to Tom Kennedy and friends as they go for $25,000.
Yes, Gene. And I must say, building up to this moment, that was one of the most exciting games in recent memory. It was just terrific. All right, now, Ann Young, so far you have $1,700. You have a chance now to add to that $25,000. We're going to give you 10 passwords beginning with the letter A and going alphabetically through the letter J. And if you get all 10 in 60 seconds, $25,000 is yours. And is husband Earl in the audience again today?
He's still there.
Good, all right. Good luck to both of you. First of all, Betty, let's look at the first word, which begins with A, so you can gather a thought or two. All right. You have 60 seconds. Go.
Skin. Teenage.
Acne.
B.
Torah.
Bull.
C.
Milk.
Cow.
Thicker.
Cream.
D.
Nightmare.
Dream.
E.
Here.
Ear.
F.
Temperature.
Fahrenheit.
High.
Fever.
G.
Error.
Mistake.
Oops. Goof.
H.
Tool.
Hammer.
I.
Chicago.
Illinois.
J.
Army. Car.
Jeep.
Hi, Earl. How are you? Come around here, Earl.
This is the world's neatest man, a kickback
I
Texan.
gather that. Earl, come over here. Come over here. You can sit down now. Ann, you stand next to him. We want to get you on mic. You two have been married 30 years.
Yes, we have.
You hear what she just said? She said, "That's the most wonderful man in the world right there." That's what she said about
the most
this
wonderful
guy.
woman.
Isn't that terrific? All right, now you have a grand total of $26,700. What are you two little lovebirds, what are you gonna do with that?
Well, we've been thinking about starting a business, and we might
Good.
put part of it in that and in a savings.
Great. Has anything like this ever happened before in your married life?
No.
Well, that's
nothing
terrific.
like this. It's fantastic.
Well, you had
Neat
incidentally.
lady.
Oh, yes.
Neat lady.
And you two had 13 seconds left on the clock also. And congratulations to
Thank
you.
you.
Earl, nice meeting you, sir. Congratulations to you. And Betty, you were fantastic as always.
So glad it worked.
Oh, that's wonderful. Stay right here, Earl. Stay right here. Sit down. You're king for a day right here. This is terrific.
All right.
You haven't hugged Earl yet. We all get a hug here.
Oh, hallelujah.
That is so sweet. All I can say is Merry Christmas.